Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Naztech QuickCharge 3.0 enabled wall charger Turbo 6. So that Turbo 6 lets us know that there's 6 ports. These top two with the orange have QuickCharge 3.0 technology, up to 12 volts, 1.3 amps. And these have 5 volts, 1 amp right here. And this is where you plug in the wall cord, and we'll show that in just a moment, along with devices being plugged into it. Here's some more information about what it can do. It can up to 80% faster with the dual QuickCharge 3.0 rapid charging system. Then we have the universal high-speed charging chip that's included, up to 10 amps and 50 watts charging with this device from Naztech. And here's some more details. You can pause this and take a look anytime, but it will be in the description below. And this is all the little devices that it can connect to, like smartwatches, action cameras, gaming system, wireless, playing speakers, smartphones, and tablets. Alright, so here's some cables that we have. We're going to go ahead and plug in the wall cord right now, and this is live. So there's power going to it right now. So this is on. There's no indicator, so it won't light up a room unnecessarily. We have a couple devices here. We have some wireless headphones. So we're going to use this cord right here. Plug it in, USB-A. Of course, it's always the opposite way than how you want to plug it in, right? We all have that same issue with these USB-A cords. Thank goodness for USB-C. Here we go. We're now charging the Edifier earbuds right there. Okay, so that's device number 1. And we're only just going to do a couple of devices. We have this Apple charging cable right here. I'm going to plug that in right there. I'm going to plug in this iPhone 10 that's right here. So that'll be charging as well. There we go. And you don't need this anymore because the Naztech charging unit does it all for you right there. Okay, and then we have one more. This is the Apple Watch charging cable, and I have an Apple Watch right here. So we'll put that on the charging puck. It's magnetic right there, and it will start charging. There we go. So we have 3 devices charging right now. We have the iPhone 10, we have the Edifier earbuds right here, and the Apple Watch, all charging from this Naztech device. And that's it right here. It's the wall charger Turbo 6 with 2 ports that have QuickCharge 3.0 technology. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.